Good morning. Aga ko today kahit late umuwi, diba? Muli ang coffee.
Share ko lang na ito yung vitamins ko on a daily basis.
Hindi ko colors to, pero alam mo na. Okay lang. Basta may lip cheek and tint. Lip cheek? Lip tint and cheek tint.
So, ayan, nag-unbox ako ng ilaw. Di ko alam kung anong iniisip ko dyan. Ang hirap buksan. But anyway, etong ilaw na to is, feeling ko super liwanag nito eh. Nakita ko to sa isang content creator. So, I feel like makakatulong siya. Pero maliwanag naman dito. Di ko nga alam bakit ko gusto niyan. Maybe pag lumalabas or mag-shoot, I just wanted to be ready. Ayan. Tapos may clip na hindi ko rin alam kung paano gamitin.
Ayan, so tayo ay nakatambay. Nag-iisip ako eh. Nagugutom ako. Naku, paano ba yan? Hindi kasi... Kumain ako ng breakfast, pero yung lunch ko, parang siguro mga 2 kutsara lang kinain ko. So, ibig sabihin, kakailanganin ko pa talaga mag-lunch. Or kung kakalimutan ko ay... dapat patulog na ako, ganun.
So, for the accountability posting, bago tayo tuluyang humiga, nag-video muna ako ng sarili ko. At pumunta ako sa malapit na Burger King. Kasi nagugutom talaga ako. And anyway, tingnan mo, $9 lang tong meal ko. So lately, I've been fueling my social media with the contents that I wanted to create as a sexologist. So, nagpapa-Q&A ako na ganito sa Instagram kasi mas madaling maglagay ng links doon. And, inanalyze ko that time na nag-boom talaga yung social media ko. Tapos, dumami yung followers ko. It's really because of consistent posting. So, my TikTok, I post like once a day. Then, sa Instagram, medyo heavy yung requirement niya eh. Pero hindi ko pa nga siya nagagawa ng full kasi kailangan ko ng mga bala. So, nag-iipon ako, nag-record ako. Actually, marami na ako recordings. I just have to edit it and then put some captions. So, anyway, ang requirement nga sa Instagram is stories, reels, and static post per day. Ay, carousel post actually, not static. Ganon. Pero that time na nag-blow up ang aking Instagram is daily posting. And yung stories ko, hindi siya repost ng reels ko. May stories talaga ako. Actually, that time kasama ko nga ang mommy eh. Parang pinapahulaan ko sa kanya yung meaning ng mga BDSM terms. Actually, gusto ko to gawin pag nakita ko ulit si mommy. And si Sig. Gusto ko lang flex to, mga pinakilala sa akin ni Martin. She's such an angel talaga. So, pinakilala niya sa akin yung mga taga-Philippine Embassy here. Buti na lang may resibo o picture. So, part of self-love routine ko before is nagtitake ako ng videos or photos of myself. And this week, I started doing that again. I guess that's part of being in love with yourself. So, ito ang ilan sa mga questions na sinagot ko this week.
Is there such profession as sexologist? Hi everyone, I am Brightly Abby, sexologist, content creator, and your cheeky guide to pleasure-positive living. Believe it or not, sexologist is a legit profession. You can actually study it, get certified, and even be registered with the American Board of Sexology. And no, it is not just about people who like sex a lot. Sexology is the study of human sexuality, which means covering everything from hormones, anatomy, reproduction, desire, attraction, relationships, trauma, behaviors, cultural norms, gender, sexual orientation, identity, safer sex, pleasure, communication, sexual rights, and more. Basically, it's about understanding sex in the body, the brain, the society, and not just the deed itself. A sexologist helps people with education, confidence, relationships, and even healing from shame and misinformation. So, yes, there is such a profession as sexologist, and we do way more than just like sex.
So eto, this is a very important question that I have received. Sabi, I'm curious, on what basis are you claiming expertise here? So either curious lang talaga siya or parang nagmamock siya, 'di ba? But anyway, I feel that it is an important question to address because it is important for us to understand the different kinds of support when it comes to sexuality. So this is a spectrum of sexual support. So unang-una, yung mga medical specialist, yung mga urologist and gynecologist, yan pinag-aaralan yan. It's a different kind of expertise. So wala tayo doon, though licensed nurse tayo sa Philippines. Next is sex therapist. Ito, mga licensed professionals sila. So, nagdi-deal sila with trauma, mental health, and any clinical concerns with regards to sex. Next is yung sex counselor. So, ang sex counselor is parang sila Dr. Martha, yan. Sila naman ay tumutulong para i-resolve, no, yung mga desire, communication, and performance issues. Then, eto ako, as a sexologist. So, I have a training in the science of sexuality aside from my bachelor's degree in nursing, diba? So, that is anatomy and physiology and whatever. Pero this time, mas trained siya with regards to sexuality. So, medyo it focus on education and empowerment. And I feel that this is necessary. It's my responsibility kasi as a content creator, when I share the knowledge, at least I have the foundation. And ito, yung advocate, dyan ako nagsimula. I just create awareness, alam nyo yun. And I love to talk about it. But of course, I feel like na gusto ko, tama, in my credibility, yung mga sinasabi ko. Kaya, nag-training ako. Though marami ako natutunan dun sa course ko, pero most of those knowledge is parang medyo alam ko nga gawa ng scientific background. Pero yung mga techniques, hindi mo akalaing ituturo talaga yan tapos may pangalan yung mga technique. So, ayun, yun talaga yung pinaka takeaway ko doon. And doon ko rin na-establish yung boundaries ko and parang nag-increase yung self-love ko ba after that course. At dahil dyan, marami din nagtatanong, paano ba maging sexologist? So, lagi ko silang nire-refer dito sa Eros Coaching. Kasi dito nga ako nag-take ng course. And alam niyo ba na I'm proud to be mentored by Dr. Martha Tarali. She's the one and only sexual educator na AASECT accredited dito sa buong Asia. So anyway, answer pa tayo ng isa pang question before we end the vlog.
Paano mapapahaba ang laban? Hi everyone, my name is Brightly Abby, sexologist, content creator, and your cheeky guide to pleasure positive living. Paano mapapahaba ang laban? So marami nagtatanong nito, mostly Pinoy, pero yung female partner yung nagtatanong. Charot. So anyway, to answer this question, kung paano ba mapapahaba ang laban, actually is your amygdala that's pressing the fast forward. All I can say is the more you're anxious, the faster your brain signals finish line. Slow breathing, pelvic floor training, and focusing on the sensations, not on the performance. It keeps the prefrontal cortex in control. So, sa madaling salita, relax ka lang. Huwag kang magmadali. Foreplay is your best friend, hindi kalaban.
If you have more questions about desires, boundaries, and intimacy, please don't be shy and drop me a message, or you can email me at hello@brightlyabby.com.
Brightly and Big Red, two sisters vlogging their hearts out. They'll do the 1,000 vlogs challenge with family and friends all around. Brightly and Big Red, vlogging and vlogging again. And mom is there and friends all around. This bond is amazing, my friend. And let's go vlog again. 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 The 1,000 vlogs challenge. Let's go vlog again. The 1,000 vlogs challenge. Let's go vlog again. Let's go vlog again. The 1,000 vlogs challenge. Let's go vlog again. The 1,000 vlogs challenge. Let's go vlog again. Let's go vlog again. Let's go vlog again. Let's go vlog again. Let's go vlog Riley and Big Rig. Vlogging and vlogging again. And mom is there and friends all around. This bond is amazing, my friend.